How's it going, everyone? I'm Squidward Tentacles, and welcome to a game called Snoring. Now, I remember CJ used to play this a long time ago. It's basically just, clicking animals and making sure they, knock the elephant off and wake him up, I guess. So, I guess that's why it's his favorite, because he has an elephant in there. The elephant's rumbling snores are deafening. Help wake him up. Try clicking the owl. Okay. At least it's not like the One Night at Flumpty's 2 owl that CJ faced before, you know. Oh, it's lagging a little. Hopefully it hits him. Oh, it's bouncing. Oh, it got him! That was a really good one. Okay, I would have guessed. Pigs roll if they're pushed. Okay. So I just simply push the pig with the owl. Aha! Really good with physics, I'm not gonna lie. This is just too easy, don't you think so? Zebras are jumpy. Yep, I definitely know it from CJ's videos. Zebra, that is Sydney's favorite animal. Oh, and it actually jumped. That was awesome. Who would have guessed? Okay, next level. Click to roll the cow, then click again to stop him. Okay. This seems easy enough. Just gotta click on the cow. Oh, he's about to roll off the ledge. Click to stop him. There we go. Oh, that was close. That could have been a catastrophe. Or should I have said a cow-tastrophe? Bump giraffes to tip them over. I know how to do this. Just use the cow, then bump them to tip them over. A bit like dominoes. This is so funny. Wow, it's a bit like the domino effect, don't you think so? That is just so funny. Penguins spin away when pushed. Okay. So I just hit the penguin with the owl. Oh, there's another penguin. Also kind of reminds me of the penguin from Five Nights at Candy's, for some reason. Oh, there with the elephant. That was so funny. Okay, next level. Oh, okay. Now use the animal's abilities. Okay, this one's gonna be hard. Like this? No, hold on a minute. That wasn't hard at all. What? What the barnacles? Huh, that was so easy. What were they talking about? Okay, next level. What am I doing now? Oh, wait, I know. So, guess oh, yes! I think I did it! That was easy. Everybody fell down. That was so funny. This is gonna be a tricky one. I forgot what I was supposed to do. Nope, the cow's rolling off the edge. No. Time for that replay. Because, you know, cows don't have to be like that. This is pretty crazy. Time for the replay. Here we go. Okay. Let's see if we can do this. Hopefully that cow stops by the time it gets to that lower platform. You know what? Yeah! I can't believe I did it! That was easy! What were they talking about? Oh, there goes the elephant. Oh, it was lagging for a bit. But I hope you didn't... yeah, I was thinking about ending the video, but I guess not. What are we doing now? Oh, okay. I gotta wait for the pig to stop rolling. Oh, I missed it! Are you kidding me? Do these levels have to be really, really hard? Come on. It's only level 10. I'll just get through these first 10 levels. Come on, I'm clicking the zebra. Yes! I think I got it. It's lagging for a bit. Oh yes, I did get it! Oh, Sorry for all the lag. Oh, man. Oh, there he goes. Well, that's all the levels I can do. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel, Christopher Brock for more Squidward videos and everything else. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, everybody.